everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos and let's get started. This is very delicious chutney. It's a combination of avocado, mango and kiwi fruit. So today I will show you how to make a delicious avocado mango kiwi chutney. And let's get started. Mango avocado kiwi chutney. Very delicious chutney. How to make such delicious chutney? That I'm going to share with you today. And let's get started. These are the ingredients I'm going to use. 2 avocados, 1 mango and 2 golden kiwi, half onion, 1 jalapeno, lemon juice. To garnish, we're going to use cilantro. Salt is always to taste. I'll be using 1 teaspoon. Black pepper, roasted cumin and smoked paprika is 1/4 teaspoon each. 2 teaspoon brown sugar, and we're also going to add some olive oil. You can adjust any spices according to your need. So let's get started. We're going to cut mangoes, avocados, kiwi, onion, chili. All the fruits are peeled and cut into pieces. We're going to put in a food processor and we're going to make a delicious chutney. Chili and onion. Lemon juice. I extracted half a lemon, so I'm going to use a food processor. We're going to open it. Avocado. Mango. Onion and green chili. This is perfect. Add spices, salt, smoked paprika, black pepper, roasted cumin, brown sugar, lemon juice and olive oil. 1 teaspoon olive oil. We're going to place the lid. So we'll get started. It's all ready. Now I'll open it. This one doesn't take that long. Make this kind of combination. Oh wow, this is so delicious. I have my serving bowl ready. Very creamy chutney. Mango avocado kiwi chutney. Prior to serving, garnish with cilantro. Very delicious chutney. This is very delicious chutney. It's a combination of avocado, mango and kiwi fruit. And please try it and you're going to like it. So good. Hot and spicy. Very tasty. You can use this chutney in many ways, as a side dish or with the chips. In Indian cuisine, you can try this chutney with tandoori chicken, barbecue chicken, any type of chicken, and plus all those appetizers out there like a samosa, puris, bhaturas, like spring rolls, many things. So please try it and you're going to like it. If you like this recipe, like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.